Okay, so let's back to where we left yesterday. I would suggest you to get some simple image. Okay, I think we can just quickly do it. You can use something like this, but it could. Let's use this one for now. Can open this one. Okay, we can see how this one works. So this one, it stretch the image. So yeah, the proportion not really right here as it's supposed to be. So to graphic. Okay, we can adjust it actually easily by just getting this image into Photoshop. It's not Photoshop. Create new file from clipboard, copy here. I can just use cut. Again, actually, when you gonna build it in real world, you should know the sizes, so you will know proportion. You will not need to do the stuff. So what we see now, we have 435 by 167 pixels. This is proportion of this image. So before this no, I can put crop. And I can just, to simplify, just put another constant here. Proportion back X back Y 435 167, right? So here in crop I can do not crop, I think it's I better will use fill here. Fill fit. And here for example for width, I can set up me input width. Okay, does not work. I can just put no here. I don't remember, it have some variables. Back width, and for the second one I will use op back width divided by op proportion back x, and multiply it by back y. So this is, and I can put fit outside maybe here. So now it should be right. Yeah, so this is a square, it's still square, so it's not stretched. It's okay, good. Emit map, okay. Let's deal with these panels now. I will put here null. I'll put the same table, and we also see it's not actually right. Yeah. But here it's gonna be a little bit different. We can still use this way. It's just not really easy way to adjust it, but when you go something like this, you usually will need separate panels. So for this I need to go to Better Cinema 4D and save them apart. Or again, you need to do like real UV. Okay, I see. So actually what I can do now, I can go this, split, from this I can delete, this, split, from this I can delete, this, split, and from this I can delete. Okay, we still have them all together, but they separate now. And size, as I remember, it's 1/4, right? I will put out file export to SFBX, yeah. Panels, replace. Okay, now I replace it, and okay, it still combine them together. Not so good. I think I need to use this one, merge geometry. Yeah, that's what I need. So here we disable merge geometry. When we load it, and so in this case I don't need this material. I will put in here for texture. And now I will need to do this kind of pepper, crop, emit map, emit color full, material. Okay. So this is pretty much what I can do. Let's check the position. Okay, this is third one. This is okay, right? This is this. This is this. So from left to right, yeah, I sample them. And again, I need to do something with this. One of the simple way to do it, just get this image inside of Photoshop. I can change resolution, let's say bigger. And we can say, let's just go over our stage together. Okay, this is how it looks around. I get this image. Okay, this one I can close. Change resolution. And I can just draw something simple. Just define the position of the objects. Okay, it's not so straight now, but okay, it's fine. It's not so precise now, but again, I will adjust it later. Something like this, and we have one more here on the top, right? Let's change it to the image canvas size, pixels. Let's say to normal aspect ratio. Okay, it's something like this. This is pretty much our image. And now we can think about this. So I have this part. I will go layers, create new layer maybe, go rectangle. Where is it? This is middle of the screen. This is middle. And for this rectangle, I can use again the value we have before, 435 by 167. Okay, free transform, and I scale down, but I hold the shift so it doesn't change proportion. I will make it like this. Okay, it's a little bit did not match here because it's bigger here a bit, but it's okay for us now. Okay, this is I will put like this. And I can write it just like back screen. Okay, now we have 3 panels here and here. It's 490 pixels around. I will divide, not calendar, calculator. 490 divided by 3, it's 163. So 163, it's gonna be the 1 meter wide, yeah, but it's 4 meters height, so 163 by 4. So it's gonna be 163 by 652. It's quite big, maybe the screen lower resolution, but anyway, and the final output it can also change, but that's what we need now. 163 by 652. But they a little bit big here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also make them lower so they kind of match it. I think it's more here, not 1 meter. Okay, let's just maybe do something like this. First one, let's try match. And after I can just duplicate this layer duplicate here. Oh. Duplicate layer, and after this layer again duplicate, hold shift, move here so it's same X position. This layer duplicate, move here, again hold shift, match here. This layer duplicate, move here, and let's just, I don't know, play with colors, properties. And here we see it's a little bit, this one, yeah, little bit not much, okay. Not bad. And 2 more things we have is this bottom screen. Bottom screen, let's say it's gonna be full of this part, but I will go about full part from this one point to this point, or something like this. Again, we just match proportion, but usually when you will build you can really calculate it, yeah. Okay, I duplicate it, I put it on the top, and this was the same but it's smaller, so I just will maybe use again Again, okay, I need to adjust this part a bit. So I need to match this position. Okay, good. This one, free transform, adjust, and make them smaller. Okay, center, properties, let's change color. And now I can do also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now as I tell, it's kind of not super precise, but the question here, because I does not really check the sizes when I build here, and I don't know actual sizes. So next part, what I can do, I just need to crop the things that active and that interesting for me. So I can crop this. It's okay, good. This is okay. The bottom part. Okay, and at the end I can just kill the background. Now put some black color. Okay, I have here background. I just will paint it black. Okay, and I will save it. Previsualization. Screen, and it's gonna be screen mapping. Okay, let's put here some switch. This one, and this one. This I can delete, and I will just use switch to switch between all of them. Whatever, like this for now. Okay, and one more part I also gonna do here. So this is screen mapping. It changed resolution, but it's not matter now. I need just proportion. Okay, this is how it should be around. Okay, so now we can see, okay, this part now it's kind of easy. What I need to do, I can add one more crop here. And I will change everything to pixels. And not pixels, fraction. If I use pixels, I gonna have trouble after. Okay, like this. Again, usually you will have like more accurate map, and you will know actually, you can actually see in Photoshop the position of each pixel. So after you can have pixels. Now it does not use pixels. Why? Because the resolution could change. Okay, let's use pixels. I think it's still more precise. Let's assume our input resolution gonna be this one, 1280 by 406 or something like this. Two, 3. 956. Top. Bottom. Okay, this is our back screen. Looks right. This is our bottom circle, so I can put another crop here. Change everything to pixels again, and I will crop the bottom. Left, right, okay. Okay, this is top part or bottom. I will just create null. Bottom circle. This is one gonna be top circle. I do not have it now, but I will have it after. And actually, when I do this, I don't need fit here anymore, because this one should be the same proportions already. So here we go like pixel accurate. Panels, crop for panels. But with panels, this crop actually not so important. Top left I don't need, because with panels the crop actually gonna be inside. So for panels, crop gonna be inside as I tell. So we just go inside, and this is crop. That's what we need to do. Okay, this is first panel. And somehow it's upside down here. Actually, it should not be. Okay, now I think it's right. Yeah. To double check this, I will just get some thing like this, put it here, and I see, okay, align straight, right, good, okay, this is works. I can put another switch here. So on this, actually, I gonna have some checker. Okay, this done. Second one. And actually we can see 1.0. And here should be 1.0 multiplied by 2, because they should be the same size, right? So speed up process a bit. So 0 by 2. 1.0 by 3. Again, I need pixels. Okay, yeah. 1.0 by 2. 1.0 by 3. And bottom part I need to crop. Okay, here what I see with them, they just flipped surface, pointed in another direction, so it's not a big problem. Actually, what I can do here, then I don't need this texture even in this case. Let's switch, let's see. Yeah, so line straight, it's just like flipped. So actually what I can do here, I can just use flip. Let's rearrange it a little bit. So actually I just can copy all this. Okay, for this three it's not so important now yet, because I does not fix them. Pixels, 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 pixels. So this one it should go somewhere here. 956 plus 508, right? The same, because they should be the same size. Tops, let's say, tops for this one still the same. For bottom, I don't need to crop top, I need to crop bottom. Okay, here I don't need flip X. One 64, 164 plus 108 plus bottom, crop top. Okay, flip, I don't need X for this one. Alright. 1172, 1172, 1, 2 pixels, 1172, 1172, and again, this I can leave like 1, because it's finished, and here I need just crop to the top, not bottom, I don't care, and for flip the same. Okay, getting there. So now we still need to fix our bottom part with the cylinder, right? Let's put here this one actually. So now we can see how it works. Quite okay, even bottom part. So this is for bottom part, we can see this one. So this is center, but center should be here. Actually, what I need just to do in this case, I just need to put one transform here. And yeah, I did not did any change as we did yesterday. All what we end up here is we use mesh with UV map, yeah, already. So okay, this is right. And what I need here, I need to translate it 0.25, I think. Yeah, so now it's in the center. And what I need to go to the tile and repeat. Actually a little bit not so sure now where is which part. So okay, right, this one in the center, yeah, this one at the back. So now it's right. And I will have the same cylinder screen here for the top one. All I will do, I need to go inside and move it up where our second cylinder should be, and adjust the scale because it should be smaller. Yeah. And this part should be the same. I need to just put this transform one more here. And yeah, this is middle part. And I see font a little bit works better here. So this one I can delete. And let's just replace this with the fonts also. This font I use for color map, not for emit map. So for color map also. Emit map. Emit I can set up to 1. And let's color pop, emit map, material. Panel go here. Here I use PBR now, and I can use the same for the color map. Yeah, I still have to use PBR, color map, color map, color map, and emit map. Okay, what next things to do? I would suggest to put here one more fit, and this fit I wanna do the same resolution of screen mapping. So no stretching, and I will use maybe like fit outside here. And okay, I don't, let's just go for this one. Fine, okay, I don't need this one anymore. This one I don't need. So I have, let's say, I have first one, it's my map from the image. I have the second one just for this, for test, and third one just this to also check some proportion, but it looks quite not bad already. And I put one more switch here, and here I will put in. This is geometry. I have some light, rendering. I put here some in also. So this is going to be this op viewer. And now we just can get any image inside and to map it on our screen. And I can see it's like real time in 3D here. So I can maybe go here, I don't know, and use some generative content. Whatever video, the Beeple video. So now you can design your animation based on this part. And you see it looks quite nice, right? So now I can design my generative content. What I also can do here, I can go to the stage, get screen mapping here. And actually I can go inside and I can get all these crops. Here. I will collapse it. Map content. So this is backward basically. So I'm gonna have in here and in one. And not even like this. I will create in. Where is this in? And I can do like different side. For example, this in I can use its back. This in top circle, bottom circle. And here I can use panel 1, panel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And use the stage. Okay, let's add some few more videos here. Something like this, like this, like this, like this, maybe like this. Again, you see, if I name them here, it's easier for me to do. So this one I will put to the back, circle, top. No, okay, maybe this one is gonna be back, and this one also gonna be circle, top. But this one gonna be circle, bottom. And here I have different panels. And for panels, I will do this part. But here I will need to use fit after each of them. You can use fits, you can use masks or whatever. And here, for example, I go to stage previsualization again. And I can see, okay, what's the back gonna be here. This fit I will feed to the operator. Stage previs gear to back width height bottom circle, it's top circle. bottom circle. And this is going to be panels. And panels 18 to 72. All of the panels gonna be 18 to 72. And now I can select all of them. Let's say fit outside, something like this. Okay, close this one. So next part, actually what I can do, I can just use multiple over this one, and this I will put to the null at the end. Input 2, native resolution, again pixel perfect. Now I just can go here, first match, second one, replace here so I can see better. Second match, this match. You see now when you can see it's quite simple, yeah. Also third one, match, match. They have the same resolution now. All this content work together. It's panel 1. Okay, this is bottom circle. This one I just need to put here. Top circle. So I just move here. And back wall. Okay. And now from this one, I can use out. And I can have switch here. And now I have this kind of stage I can watch in 3D, or I just switch to another setup. I did not connect this one here, that I also can watch in 3D. So you see, this one allow me a little bit more variations, so I can maybe yeah, also one more thing, we can adjust connect order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one go here, and this one go here and here. So now I can again control the separate, generate different visuals. I can create the mask again based on this one to switch on off some panels, yeah, easily. I can get it's like one big screen. I can use them all as separate screens, or some of them together, some of them separate. I can also make this one screen, this another screen group, so just like it's gonna be different compositing a little bit. For example, another way what I can do again, I can use again the same stage mapping. I fit this image into this resolution 1 to 8406, fit outside, switch, connect to, over, and no, I wanted this one here, but over I wanna put here. And again, I can just get this crop for the back screen from here, copy, put here. Yeah, it's fit. I don't need to go out here. And here, when over, I can adjust it. Again, scale to match it. Precise. Here I should be not feel like native resolution, so it will not stretch. So something like this. I can put not here, to this switch also, and go to the switch 3, and here I switch this one I use just for map, but this I can change to content. So now middle screen work like one screen, and this like on this side work opposite. for example, what I can do here, I can put this one inside. So you see, it just like kind of like scale up it's a little bit, or I can put some color correction here. And again, I can put another over. So you can prepare for your setup different combinations after, right? And I can get this one, another one here, and this one gonna be for the, let's map it back. And here I can use some transform, actually native resolution. Maybe this over I will put after this over. So I put this one here, this one here, and this one here. So for example, this over, I can use for what next things I can do. For example, I can just go here and disable all these layers except open. And I can use this as mask. So you save this Photoshop file. Alright, so now I just go here and make mask from this. And this mask actually I can use with this one. I can use multiply. And yeah, when I save mask, when I do mask better, I just go with transparency. Save as PNG, save circle mask. And this one I will just replace with PNG. And you see now I can control quite easily. So I have these screens show this content, middle screen show this content, and I have some masks, so top and bottom part that show like totally different content. So you see how it's easy. So this is pretty much for today. Next class I will show you a little bit more how to do not just stage, maybe some like light or like more like custom installation, and how to do like simple control panel for this. Okay, see you next time.